Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into an interesting word that you might come across often, especially when talking about one of the world's most essential activities. Our word of the day is agricultural, a C1 level adjective that means related to farming. Let's break it down and see how this word fits into our everyday conversations. The word agricultural is used to describe anything connected to farming, including the cultivation of crops, raising animals, and other activities tied to the production of food and resources from the land. For example, you might talk about agricultural practices, agricultural products, or even an agricultural community. It's a versatile word that helps us focus on the importance of farming in our world. If you're looking for synonyms, you could use words like farming, as in the region is known for its rich farming traditions, or agrarian, as in the country has an agrarian economy with most people relying on agriculture for their livelihood. These words share a similar focus on the connection to land and agriculture. On the other hand, the antonyms of agricultural include words like urban and industrial, which point to city life and factories rather than the countryside and farming. For instance, you might say, the town is shifting from its agricultural roots to a more urban lifestyle, or the industrial sector is growing, leaving behind the focus on agriculture. In everyday life, agricultural pops up when discussing food production, rural economies, or even history and development. For example, you might hear someone say, the government is providing subsidies for agricultural equipment to help farmers, or this area's economy depends heavily on its agricultural activities. It's a word that highlights the vital role of farming in our society. Here are a few sentences to see agricultural in action. The festival celebrates the region's agricultural heritage with traditional foods and crafts. Advancements in agricultural technology are helping to feed a growing population. She decided to study agricultural sciences to learn more about sustainable farming methods. To wrap up, today we explored the word agricultural, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how it can be used in different contexts. I hope you found this episode informative and fun. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before you go, why not try creating your own sentence using agricultural and share it in the comments? I'd love to see how you use this word in your own way. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time.